Aesthetic and implant dentistry has been here since the early 90s. Many of you associate this practice with Dr. Morgan, and we were able to work together for a full year. But I've learned a lot, and I learned his legacy, what he stood for, and what the practice stood for. And I was able to incorporate some new technology and some new treatments to bring the practice into a more modern stage. We're currently offering online booking, meaning you can make your hygiene appointment, your professional dental cleaning appointment online. We try to reach out to patients and through text messages and so forth. We know we have the capabilities of designing your smile in a couple minutes. We can take some photos of you and put them on CAD/CAM software and show you pretty much what you're going to look like, or give you an idea of how you're going to look like once we're done with your treatment. We have 3D printers that we can print models of your teeth. Many times patients, they don't want to do something because they recall having to take impressions. A lot of patients call it a mouthful of goop. Now we have the capabilities of scanning your teeth with a digital oral scanner that I can use that scan and make a model of your teeth and print it with my printer and have something for you within a couple minutes. We have 3D x-rays that we can use to plan. If you're interested in doing the implants, I can plan that all on my software, and instead of having to wait weeks to do the surgery, I can have your implant plan within a matter of minutes, and if you're ready to do the treatment that day, I can pretty much have that ready for you to go. One of the things we specialize in here in aesthetic and implant dentistry is obviously implant. I'm able to do implant surgery more predictably, a lot quicker, just because we have a lot of the tools that we can utilize to plan things very accurately and very precise.